G'day guys, hope you're doing well. I'm going to draw a cool character called Super Banana. You might have seen my other banana drawing. Let's start with a line coming up, curve line, up into the banana piece, top of the banana. Going to now draw the outer part. It comes down and then around like so, coming down to where his cool sunnies are. And now this is Super Banana. What a legend. He's got his glasses coming around and it comes out and it comes around and in. Now we're going to draw two little bumps. So I'm going to put a little dot here because that's where I want this bump to be, coming around like so. And then another bump and around, coming around and bring that up and around. We see more of this side. Now he's got these cool like sort of glowing sort of glasses there. So he's got this band coming through. So straight line all the way through, curve it on the edge, bring it back through. When we colour that, that'll look even better. Now you can sort of see, I'm going to bring this line up there because you can see a bit of an edge on this. So like that. And a little bit of an under edge there as well, but the colour will get that. So it comes through there. Now this comes a little line down there. Then we've got his cape because he's a super banana. So it comes down into a V, which is pretty much directly underneath there, and then it comes back and around like this. Now he's got this mouth on that's cool like that. Little line. Alright, let's bring his cape back around, down to there. And then this is part of his cape that comes down. There's like a front part of the cape. This is another one that comes into the middle there. Now the banana keeps coming down. And I'm just going to draw this line in now. So up here it comes up like that. Down there. Keep it coming down. Now he's got this belt, so directly underneath here in his mouth, he's got a circle with another circle. And he's got this belt that comes around like that, and it comes across to here, and then it sort of kicks back a little bit. Now he's got his hand in here, so let's get his hand on there. Hand, thumb, that with a bit of a glove part on the top like this. And he's got his arm coming in to the side. And then this is part of his cape that sort of comes down and around there. His belt goes in there, and you see a bit of it in there too. Now this part comes down and around for his, so let's pretend this curve is coming through. See that? Coming through and around there. This one comes down. This is the bottom of Mr. Banana. Super Banana, sorry, not Mr. Banana. And then this sort of curves in and around like this. So it follows that, sort of curves out and then back in. Now he's got his other arm that you only see a little bit. So it's here like this with the top bit, and then we'll put a little bit in there. So similar to that, but it's tucked in behind. Now we've got his leg, part of his leg, then his boot. And he's only got a little boot because that's sort of in behind there. Then this boot comes from here. Curve this around like so. Another one like that. And then he's got the front of his shoe like this. Got some cool little wheels on. Wheels are another slang term that we use for shoes. Nice wheels. And then he's got some other details that we can put on, and his cape sort of comes, there's a bit of a line there.